Hello, welcome in this video. Today we'll talk about what is data layer and how does it look like. At first, we should talk about how we see a website. So whenever we visit any website, this normally has some UI or user interface. That means whatever we see on that website, that is user interface. This is basically a presentation data layer, and there is also a JavaScript code in the backend of a website where it stores important data of any website that marketers can use on their needs, and that is data layer. We can say that that is a backend data layer, but this is the actual data layer we use to do our marketing. So at first, let's go to the Google Tag Manager and show you how a data layer looks like. And in the later videos, we will show you how we can use this data layer to track our events, and we will also be able to track dynamic data. So at first, let's visit to Google Tag Manager. Let's start. Okay. So we are in the website now. Let's just click preview. We want to open a preview of our website. From here, we can just view the tag assistant preview mode. From here, we will be able to see our website's data layer. Just waiting for loading. Okay, so it just loaded. Let's click continue. Now, this is our website, and in the backend of this website, we will be able to see a data layer that is important to track important data. But here we cannot see this. We have to see this through the source code. But as a marketer, we don't need to edit or use the source code. Through the Google Tag Manager, we can easily do that. So before, I had a video on how to install data layer on a WooCommerce website. You can check it out. Now let's see the Tag Assistant preview window. Here we can see the page loaded here. There is lots of event or trigger. So let's just click the window loaded, or any other thing. We can click just like view item list or container loaded, anything. So, or we can just click this, and now here we can see some tags fired and some tags are not fired because they are not their trigger is not appear here. So just click data layer to see how data layer. Now in this section we can see that there is lots of data which shows the details of the page. So there is lots of data. So if we visit a specific product page, let's click here, then a product page will load. Just waiting to load this. Okay, it's loaded. Now here is a view item tag fired, and this is Facebook view content event. Now let's click data layer. Now we can see in the data layer there are lots of information, just like the currency code, then the price of the product. So here is the price of the product, then the name of the product, assorted coffee. Here is the name of the product. Now we can see the category. Here is the category. Now we can also see other information, but there is enough. And this is the in impression. So in the below there are some extra product information. So in the data layer also shows this. So why this is important? So to track the data and send it to the Google, send it to Google and Google Ads and Facebook Ads. We need dynamic value because to retarget the audiences, we need this information so that our ad campaign works perfectly. That's why data layer is very important, and this data layer are previously installed by the developer in the backend of the website. So for the WooCommerce website, we have done this through a plugin, and I also have a tutorial on this. So this is what a data layer looks like, and it is important to perfectly run Facebook or Google, or run ads in any other platform. That's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. We will talk about in later videos. Thank you.